Hey everyone, the newest model in Xiaomi's Civi line, the Civi 4 Pro, has been formally released. It boasts a high-end aesthetic, potent performance, remarkable cameras, and quick charging. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, the Civi 4 Pro's compelling 6.55-inch 1.5K micro-curved AMOLED display makes for an engaging viewing experience, even in bright outdoor settings. The smooth images produced by the 120Hz refresh rate are perfect for scrolling and gaming. Sleek and contemporary appearance is enhanced by the incredibly thin bezels on all four sides, which measure just 1.45mm on the sides and 1.6mm on top. The phone is exceptionally thin at only 7.45mm because of its four-side micro-curved appearance on the front and back. Powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, and offering up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, the Civi 4 Pro ensures exceptional processing power and seamless multitasking capabilities. Xiaomi's Pascal T1 signal enhancement chip optimizes performance further. The phone also features a 4184mm ultra-large circular cold pump cooling system, with a vapor-liquid separation appearance for efficient heat dissipation, maintaining optimal performance during extended use. The Civi 4 Pro's triple-camera rear system includes a large 50-megapixel sensor primary camera with an f1.6 aperture and a Leica Summilux lens for stunning detail and low-light performance. It also features a 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixels 2x telephoto camera for versatility in capturing various subjects. For selfie enthusiasts, the dual 32-megapixels front camera system, including an ultra-wide camera, ensures high-resolution selfies and group shots. Equipped with a 4700 mAh battery, the Civi 4 Pro supports 67 watts wired fast charging, allowing it to reach 100% charge in just 40 minutes. While wireless charging is not available, the fast charging technology minimizes downtime, keeping users connected and powered throughout the day. Breeze Blue, Soft Mist Pink, Starry Black, and Spring Wild Green are the four standard colors of the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro. A limited edition version with the Kona leather and mirror glass finish is also offered. It comes in black and white, blue and pink, and other color combinations. Starting at $29.99 yuan or $416, the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro base model comes with 12 gigs RAM and 256 gigs of storage. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro is scheduled to go on sale on March 26 and is already available for pre-order in China. All things considered, the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro is a strong contender in the smartphone market because of its powerful performance, fast charging technology, excellent camera skills, and luxury appearance components. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for you in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.